In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape emails on Google Maps. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser and then just look up Map Scraper just like so. Then you want to go ahead and select on the first website that appears and make sure that it is the official mapscraper.com website, and then it should look something like this. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on Add to Chrome. So just go ahead and press on that. And then you want to go ahead and press on download new release right over here. And then there you go. It will actually download as a zip file. So we need to go ahead and unzip it, but don't worry guys, it's really easy. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and drag and drop it to my desktop just like so. So there you go. All right. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and right click on it just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on extract file. So let's go ahead and press on that. All right, guys. So what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and right click on the folder just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on extract files just like so. Then you want to go ahead and select on the destination. By the way, I'm using a free program called WinRAR, but you could also do it without using WinRAR. I'm just using WinRAR because I personally think it's a little bit easier, but all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on OK. All right, once you're done with that, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up Google Chrome one more time. Then you want to go ahead and open up the web browser extension menu like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on Manage Extensions. Then you want to go to the top right and you want to make sure that developer mode is actually turned on, because that is the only way that it can work. So anyways, guys, all you want to do from here is you want to go to the left side and then you want to go ahead and press on load unpacked. And then from here, you want to go ahead and locate the folder that you did just extract. All right, so I was able to find my extracted file. It is Map Scraper right over here. So let's go ahead and press on select folder. And then it is going to open up a pop-up that does look like this. And if you do get this, that means you have successfully installed Map Scraper. So there you go. So now let's head over back to our Google Chrome menu like so. And all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and actually turn on Map Scraper. Yep, so Map Scraper is turned on. So now all we need to do is we need to go over here towards the web browser extension. And you want to make sure that you do pin Map Scraper just like so. And there it is. So let's go ahead and press on it like so. And now we need to go ahead and log in with our Gmail account. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in really quickly, or you guys can go ahead and create an account. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and log in with Google. All right, once you went ahead and signed in, it will now give you the option to open Google Maps. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly. All right, guys, so now it is going to go ahead and open up Google Maps. And all you want to do in order to get started is go to the top right and press on this option that does say start scraping. And you guys have multiple different options. So you guys could scrape without an email in order to do it fast, or you guys could scrape Google Maps with emails, or you guys can go ahead and scrape Google Maps with emails and social media. So this is completely up to you. All right, so now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on your industry. So let's say, for example, you're trying to go ahead and get the emails for hotels. You want to go ahead and select on hotels. But obviously, if you're doing something like restaurants or museums, that is definitely another option that you guys can go ahead and do. But let's just go ahead and press on start just like so. And now it will begin scraping all of the emails really quickly. So just go ahead and just wait for it to actually load in. And then there you go. It is now going to go ahead and download a CSV file. So we can go ahead and open it up. And over here, it is going to give you all of the information of the location. So I know it may look a little bit hard to read because we're using Notepad and stuff like that, but it will actually give you all the information, and it will even number them for you. And then you're able to see their contacts and stuff like that. And again, you could set it to scraping Google Maps with email. So this is completely up to you. But if that was a little bit hard to read, do not worry, because the extension actually does organize all the information over here. So we got all these different phone numbers, all these different addresses, websites, all that good stuff, and a bunch of other useful information. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.